Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to download the free Aviator Predictor app in 2025. Let's jump right into it. The first step is to open any browser on your device. Then, simply search for Aviator Predictor app. Next, scroll down through the search results until you find the Softonic link. Make sure it's the correct one. Once you've found it, click on it. You'll be redirected to a page where you'll see the Aviator Predictor ready for download. There are two options on your screen. The first option is the free APK download, and the second option is to install from Google Play. Simply click the first option, the free APK download button, to begin downloading the app. After the download is complete, you're ready to start using the app. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.